The Qidi Technology X-Plus II 3D printer is a high-performance, feature-rich solution designed for professionals, hobbyists, and creators who demand precision and versatility. Crafted using a robust mix of materials, including polylactic acid, PLA, carbon fiber, ABS, metal, polycarbonate, and acrylic. This printer offers exceptional durability and reliable output. With a build volume of 10.6 x 7.9 x 7.9 and a weight of 23 kilograms, it's engineered for larger prints and more stable performance. Dual-extruder system for versatility. The X-Plus II introduces Qidi's third-generation extruder system, offering two upgraded dual-gear extruders that enhance precision, heat dissipation, and minimize clogging. The pre-installed standard extruder supports up to 250 degrees C, ideal for PLA, ABS, and TPU. Meanwhile, the high-temperature extruder included can reach 300 degrees Celsius, expanding material compatibility to advanced filaments like Nylon, PA12CF, and PC, enabling professionals to print high-strength functional parts. Enhanced stability with double Z-axis. Equipped with a double Z-axis driver, the printer ensures a smoother, more stable printing experience, especially crucial for larger models. This precision engineering results in higher print accuracy and dimensional consistency. Smart features: filament sensor and power loss recovery. The X-Plus II includes a filament detection sensor that alerts users when material runs low, perfect for uninterrupted long-duration prints. In the event of a power outage, the printer can resume printing from the last saved point, saving both time and material. Upgraded QIDI print software. The new version 6.5.3 of the QIDI slicer software features a redesigned, user-friendly UI and an enhanced slicing algorithm. Users will experience up to 30% better print quality and 20% faster speed. The software is compatible with all QIDI printers, and users can download updates directly from the official Qidi website. Customer support and warranty. The X-Plus II comes with a 1-year free warranty and lifetime technical support. Qidi's dedicated after-sales team promises quick responses, typically resolving inquiries within 12 hours, ensuring a seamless ownership experience.